Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I like to do unboxings and try-ons and reviews and anything else that sounds like fun and has to do with clothes and jewelry and handbags and anything fun, even a little bit of fur baby stuff. So I have an exciting, hopefully exciting and fun video today. I got my Material World box in while I was away this past week, along with several other boxes. So lots of fun videos this week coming at you. Material World is a pre-owned style service, usually very high-end, like Stuart Weitzman, Page, Hudson, lots of higher-end styles. Styling fee, I believe, is $20 or $25. They curate 5 items for you, send it to you on a monthly basis. You keep what you love, send back what you don't. Your styling fee does come off of anything that you keep, and you do get a discount, I believe, if you keep everything. So, can't wait to see what is in this box. I do believe everything comes in a nice plastic wrap, so I do believe everything is cleaned and well cared for before they send it to you. I think Zena wants to say hi. You want to say hi to everybody? Can you say hi? Say hi, everybody. And Wyatt just wants to sleep. Yeah, you want to say hi? Okay. So, let's dig into this box. And it feels heavy. I'm not sure what that means, but it feels heavy. And I can read you off some more of the brands, so that you know what I'm talking about when I say high-end. You do get a bag to return anything that you don't want to keep, including a label. They will take, when you return items, you could also send anything in that you wanted to sell as well. So, like Philip Lamb, equipment, frame, hatch, Gucci, Derek Lamb, current Elliott, all high-ends, Marc Jacobs, obviously, all the high ends, and they give you a complete list of all of the brands that they will take, as well as all of those that they sell. Fry, all examples of brands that they sell. Okay, and here's my box. Again, super heavy. And see how it's all nicely wrapped in bags. Okay, so considering how heavy it is, my prices are not too bad here. Zena's pushing me out of the way. You want to get comfy? I won't read prices until the end, but I'm glad to see that these prices aren't too bad. Looking at just the total of 5 items, if I kept everything with the buy all discount, it's $304. So let's see what's in here. And it is all in plastic, so let me get out of the plastic and be right back. Okay, everything is out of the plastic, and every piece has a little code on it, so you kind of know just from those first 3 letters what it is. So it looks like I got a dress, 3 tops, and a bottom. So you can just tell from that. You do get a paper that tells you what to do. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it tells you to try everything on, check out and give feedback, and then send back your returns. And it tells you, include any additional items that you want to sell inside that same exact mailing bag that they gave you. And I do not have any notes from my stylist. So you get 20% off if you buy all 5 items, and you have 4 days to try everything on and return it. Okay, so first item up is the dress, and it looks like a long, let's see, I don't know what it is, let's see. A long sleeve dress, elastic waist it looks like, by Parker. Look at that. There's a little cutout back. That's interesting. Has a little button sleeve. It's black and white. It is fully lined. And we'll have to see how that fits me. I'm not sure about that back. Check that back out. And it does button here. That feels like a very deep V in the front too, doesn't it? Okay, we will see what that looks like. Next up, looks like a button down by Current Elliott. It is a button down. So it is blue and white in the front with plain white in the back. And I can tell you, I don't love button downs because I don't like to iron. So if you don't like to iron, these are tough, right? But I'll try it on. It's not my favorite. Okay, next up is another top. This one is Stone Cold Fox. At least I thought it was, yeah, I think it's a top. It's pretty long here. But I believe the bag it was in said top. So it looks like it could be off the shoulder. It's black. It's very long, so it must be a tunic style. Right? With ruffles at the bottom. And it has like the wider sleeve, but it's very sheer. Okay. I'm not sure how I feel about that either. All right, next up is a sweater. This one is by Theory. And at least it is not tight around my neck, so it looks like it will not be touching. The front won't touch my neck, thankfully. Or I'm not even sure I could even try it on for you anymore. I just really can't have things touching my neck. But it's a cream sweater. It does look like it's kind of cropped. And then it has these wider kimono style arms. I don't know. We'll see. It's very soft. And last up is a pair of black jeans by Armani. Oh, and that's weird. Okay. They look like they are straight leg. And check out these pockets. They're like a different color. That one, and then in the back it's like a different color there too. They do have some stretch to them, some. And they just have a straight leg. So, interesting. Let me try these on for you. Be right back. Okay, so here is the dress, which I paired with a pair of red wedges. It is obviously super short and a little too low cut for my liking. This in the back, here's the back. So I don't think I really have anywhere that I would wear this dress and not be afraid that the wind would blow or this would pop open. It's even kind of tight across my chest. There is a snap here to hold this together, but even when I was moving around, it popped. So this would be a no. Yeah, okay, next. Okay, so here is this menswear inspired button-down shirt, which is well oversized. I rolled up the sleeves because they were actually down past my fingertips. And I put on a jean skirt, still have the red shoes on, wedges, and put on my jean skirt that I got from a trunk club. And this is what it looks like. What do you guys think? Not really into button downs very much, but I actually thought this wasn't too bad. And let me show you what I mean. It's very oversized, so I'll show you what it looks like just down. Very big. Okay, next. Okay, here is the sweater with these kimono style sleeves. Still wearing the red shoes because it seems to be working with every item in this box. The jeans aren't too bad. At first I wasn't sure how I felt about them, but they're kind of cute. They have these cute pocket detail. I don't know if you guys can see that. And this sweater is very soft. I'm not sure how I feel about this collar. It's a little bit overwhelming, and I think if it wasn't 80 degrees outside, I would probably like this better. But it's pretty. Okay, one last top. Okay, and here's this last off the shoulder tunic length top. The arms are very long on me. And I still have the jeans on, but I think, and it doesn't really come up any farther than this, I think probably a legging would be much better. Maybe I have a Spanx that is a shiny leopard print. Those would probably be really cute with this. It is fully lined. There is a lining to this. But I'm not sure how I feel about it. Okay. Well, that is all 5 pieces. So let's do a quick wrap up and look at prices. I'll be right back. Okay. Whew, I'm hot just from that try on. Let's see, those are definitely fall items, right? So let's talk pricing now. This first up was that Parker dress, and it's $70. I like the idea of this dress. Too low cut, too short. I'll never wear it, so it's a no. Next up is the current Elliott button-down top. That's this one, right? Yep. This was $80. I'm sorry, $60. This was $60. So I just bought one from the loft that was plain white and oversized, and since I'm not a huge fan of button-downs, I'm thinking I probably don't need this one either. Next up is the Theory sweater. That's this, $90. This was soft, it's really cute, but that feels like a lot for a pre-owned sweater. I don't know what the original price was. It was probably a lot, but I don't know. $90 feels like a lot, especially when I'm not going to get the discount because I'm not keeping all 5. So what did you guys think of this sweater on? I would love to know. Next up is the black top by, who is this by? This one was by Stone Cold Fox, and that one was $80. So I'm intrigued by this. I think it would be cute with leggings and like a stiletto for going out at night. I'm just not sure I would wear it. And the arms were so long on me that I'm afraid if I wore to dinner, it would end up in my food. What did you guys think of this? I would love to know. How did it look on? And then the Armani jeans were $80, and they fit and they were fine, but they weren't as comfortable as I would love, and I already own some really great black jeans. In fact, I just bought a pair of DL 1961 from a trunk club, so I don't need these, and I'm not going to keep the black jeans at all either. So if I keep something, it probably would be one of these. I don't know. So I need to know what you guys thought of this try on. Is there something that you saw that looked really, really great? I really want to know what you thought. So please, please comment below. Let me know what I should keep, if anything, and what you thought of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and show me some support. I could really use it and help my channel grow. If you've already subscribed, a sincere thank you. I so appreciate it. I hope everyone has a great weekend. Till next time. Bye from the pups, too. Want to say bye, Wyatt? He's, like, sleeping. Again. These are my sleepy sidekicks. Can you say thank you and goodbye, everybody? Okay. Bye from me and my sleepy sidekicks. Have a good one.